Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to do a site audit in SEMrush. So I actually activated the 7-day free trial which offers you all the features. So site audit is a inside site performance. So once you do this, you need to actually enter the domain name. So I simply enter my domain name Marksheet Generator. So once you do the site audit, it will show you all these number of pages that you want to audit. Let's suppose I want to audit 200 pages to crawl website. You can select right here. If you do have a sitemap, you can enter the sitemap URL. So I have already have a sitemap. So I will simply paste. So scheduling is here. Weekly every Monday. Send an email in once audit is complete. Right here you can select if you want to perform every Monday or daily. Click on start audit. So once you will do this, it will start your site audit. It will find out issues, if any issues are there in your website. So it will show you all the things. Pages crawled. So as you see, it is crawling your website using your sitemap. It will show you site performance, health of the website, errors, warnings, any kind of thing. So this will take some time, so you need to wait for some time. It's auditing your website. So once it is completed, it will show you all the stats. So as you see, it is one by one crawling all the pages in the website. So I will be back whenever it's complete. So as you can see, it has now completed, crawled all the pages. It gave me a score of site health, 85%, everything. So you click on the site to find out more information of the site audit that it has done. And it shows you detailed report. You can even export that report to PDF as well. So it gave you, as you see, 92%. It crawled 199 pages, have issues, healthy too. Website is better optimized for AI search engines. All good, all good, all good. And right here you can see the warnings. What sort of warnings are there? Apart from that, crawlability, site performance, everything is in 90%. So it goes. So you click on warnings and it gives you 195 pages, have low text HTML ratio. So in this easy way, you can find out issues, warnings, or errors, if any errors are there. So this report you can click on export. You can even export this to a PDF file as well. So you click on download PDF. So everything you will see, this is your report. You can see the crawled pages, everything. So in this way you can perform a site audit in SEMrush.